DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, and today you don't know, you know. We're there in our lab, you know. Anytime we lab, we're there with bangers. You see me? We're there with mad reactions. But today, we actually there with a new artist. I don't think we reacted to this artist before. This one is called, he's called Staggy YBC. One name, One Campaign. And this was actually requested by one of the Dan Mafia members. You see me? I say? So shout out to y'all. I think this was requested by RP Bob, if I'm not mistaken. You see me? Yeah. RP Bob. You need to change your name from that dot, bro. You see me? I can't see your actual name. But you see me? I say, but big up yourself, gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. So I check it out. Staggy YBC, One Campaign. Check it out so you gotta deal with. Yeah. When the Dan Mafia them request songs, it's always banger. So I'm expecting nothing less. RP Bob, you have to go come down now, you know, dog. If you request bullshit, you know, dog. You see me? But we're gonna check it out, gang. Now I'll be my vibes much longer. Let's jump right in the track. Staggy YBC. Let's get One Campaign. Let's get it.
Large put food on the own table. In every place and corrupt. Celebrate FUs.
Okay. I staggy that.
Sign a deal with the devil.
Yeah, large one. Custom to all the bread. All the bread is done.
My food.
Love, know what to tell you, man.
Was a client that? What?
It would have easier try go around the devil than try go around me.
That's a move out of what you dog got on.
And rich now, baby. What's up? You ready to go out? It's on this bread.
I ain't take your dog food. Tell your dog say nah, wait. Man, you show a girl when you have bread.
YBC forever, you know.
I say, yo, Staggy boy, I go around here, you know. You have the money in a car, so you don't know what's a dog link up. You drive a link up, you see? That's why you have to do right business, you know. And when a bad business you have to do good business. Don't make that go for you.
One small and you see pray. One time I call. All time inside.
Money program. Boy, run out for the money. Eh? Where your blood gone run, your marrow gone run on the pavement, boy.
Bumbo classic beside, you know. I just slip and slide, man. Mind game, them want play, man, I play. No call up on no ends, no. Man, I stray, no. Real to my old and grey. And if you
say a mind game, them a play, me not play. Come on, I go over your head. A mind game, them a play, me not play, I don't know.
You know.
Oh, Jen.
I just slip and slide, man. Mind game, them want play, man, I play.
No, sir.
Call up on no ends, no. Man, I stray, no. Real to my old and
you call me for no ends, you not street, I want you.
grey. And if you fuck up, send a contract go west and over and be. How the fuck you want rich and not fake? Life, my heart full of hate. Large jog food, France.
Listen to that, no man. What do you hear, man, say? Oh, you want rich and not faith. Listen to, don't make that go over your head. Oh, you want rich. Oh, you want to be successful. Oh, you want to be achieve all the way you want to achieve, but you don't have no faith. You have to have faith, man. You see me? And you have to work hard. And say faith without work is dead. You see me? And work without faith is dead. You see me? I say, come on.
Send a contract go west and over and be. How the fuck you want
rich and not faith, eh?
Life, my heart full of hate. Large jog food, France state. Put rims on skate. Tell me push it on blue plate.
Put rims. Hey, come in now.
One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign, pop champagne. Fuck with the food.
One campaign, put rubber palm plane. I want to hear one campaign. Me pop champagne. Okay, it's a campaign or a skull I need. You see me, I a giant. Are you good? Come in.
One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign, pop champagne. Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, chicken, brain.
Don't see the food, we bomb brain out here, boy. Come on.
One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign, pop champagne. Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, chicken, till me hands brain deaf. Mind game, you want play, me can play. Touchy melody, some money make us pay.
Mind game, you want play, no, we can't play. First, you ask a mind game, you don't want play, no, me not play. But your man say, alright then. Since that you know I keep up, my game when I play, I can't play it too, you know. I don't want to play it, but I can play it if I need to. Come on.
Life take away, as a dopey make a stay. Don't need clip in your face, here we fuck up the place.
Yeah.
We no chatter, we no chase, little bama crack a face.
Yeah.
9 ball race, essential, catch a case. Lads never catch a case, feds them a look for days. Left you seeing clean, just me dirty ways. One campaign could run.
I'm left is seeing clean. The only thing left, I'm in dirty way.
Up and play. One campaign, make a pop champagne. Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, you got kill me hands brain. One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign, make a pop champagne. Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, you got kill me hands brain. You're deaf. Mind game, them all
You're
play.
deaf?
Play.
You're deaf or you're deaf? Which one? Come here.
Call up on no ends, no. Man ask you, no. Real to my old and grade. And if you fuck up, send they can travel west and over and be. How the fuck you want rich and not feel?
Oh.
Life, mama heart full of
Oh! Oh, you are rich enough here. Come here, man.
Lads jog food, France state, put rims on skate. Then they push it on blue plate. One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign,
One.
pop champagne.
One.
Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, you got kill me hands brain. One campaign, put run up and plane. One campaign, pop
One champion, you know, man. One skull, one giant, one. Hey, you meet up.
champagne. Fuck with the food, me ready for bomb brain. Press it, you got kill me hands brain. You're deaf.
You're deaf or you're deaf or you're duff? Which one? Eh? You're deaf or you're duff? Which one? You man, I tell you, no man, what go on. Come in, no man, listen.
One campaign, man. Father, man, we have to dash your boy, man.
That is it.
Tell me, I tell you, man, father, man, you want to deal with the man, rum cup type of settings, alright? Tell me, I tell you, man, father, man, how are you, man, fully lodge out, man, my father, man, boy, get dash you down. Tell me, I tell you, man, father, man. No joke, man, father, man.
Boy, get that shirt, give you a little pint star for a couple thousand. I think a couple hundred, basically.
Oh, dear, man. No, boy, man.
One was smaller, man.
Oh, dear, man. Oh, God, man, father, man.
That is it. Come in, no? That is it. Boy, let's get it. Yeah, man, gang, see what I do with, man. Yeah, man, that has Staggy YBC, one campaign. Good luck. You see me, I say, nice vibes. Yeah, man, big up to everybody. Big up to RP Bob for requesting this one. Yeah, man, new artists. You see me, I say, not familiar with him, but I like in concept and in style. You see me, can see where dog have some room to grow. You see me, but he can be a good artist, man. Staggy YBC, one campaign like that. Let me know if there's other tracks you know want me to check out by Staggy YBC. You see me, drop some info from him. Let me know. You see me, where he from, you know, what he's into, you know, where he's from, what other songs he got going on, who him link with all of that good stuff, you see me? And drop your request and we'll definitely check him out. You see me? So let me know if you want to hear more from Staggy. Also, if you like, you go show the artist on love and support. Let me know, say, yo, I the dancing, you see me? Yeah, and let me know what's your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, gang. Yeah, really dope track, really dope vibes. Yeah, showing love and support. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, man. Banger. Staggy YBC, one campaign. You see me? It's a good track. You see me? Just that one campaign. It's a vibe. It's a meds track. One campaign. You know, it's supposed to tell you a scammer thing, but yeah, man. Definitely room for develop and grow. And definitely you can have a place in the dancehall industry. You see me? So he's a new artist. Check it out. You see me? Check him out. Let me know anything. Drop on a request. All that good stuff. You see me? We won't keep an eye on him. You see me? I say see you and grow and everything. But anyway, gang. You don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. Till next time. You already know. We are 700 away from 7,000 subscribers. 3,000 away from 10k subscribers. I appreciate y'all if you hit that like and subscribe button. Get your boy to 10k before January. That'll be a great New Year's and birthday gift. Coming birthdays in January. I appreciate you guys. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.